Bessie. Look at Messy Bessie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of Fab Friday. Got the girls out, so I'm ready. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a restyling on a unit that was sent to me by Diosa Hair. But before we get into all the specs of this hair and how I did this very effortless curly barber, this is Shirley hairstyle. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Bloop up. Okay, so like I said, this hair was sent to me by Diosa Wig. I have reviewed for them before. It was a $60 curly bob unit. So they were kind enough to send me another curly wig. This is their virgin human hair lace front wig. I got it in 14 inches and 150% density. This unit does retail for $98.80. That is not a sale price. That is their everyday Amazon price. So it is under $100. I did go in and wash and condition the hair before I blow dried it, just to make sure it was, you know, as clean as possible. I would suggest that you wash and condition the hair. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs. Knots in this unit are not bleached, so if you want to go in and bleach them, you can. I did go in with my airbrush leg spray in the color Deep Glow. And before you guys come for my lace, you do have to go over it, you know, a couple times to get the desired look. I'm just too scared I'm gonna use too much, so I'm very light-handed with it. You can still see like a little white cast. I think that you guys can see that. I can see it. So you can go in with your powder or whatever to kind of, you know, hide that a little bit, or you can bleach the knots. Again, up to you. It looks good regardless. It's gonna photograph nice. Now I could have left it in the curly pattern, but I just feel like, you know, you've seen that on my channel before. I just didn't feel like doing the wet look today, like the whole soul glow. Just let your soul glow. And I know some people do not have money to keep buying different wigs over and over to get different hairstyles. This is me showing you guys that this wig can be styled in different ways. You just got to put some work into it. Who is behind me? You probably could skip some certain steps as far as like the blow drying and stuff. You may have just let it air dry and then pressed it, but I was being impatient, so that's why I blow dried the unit to get it as straight as possible. And then I didn't want to go in with a flat iron, so that's why I went in just with the 1-inch curling iron and basically like used one pass on it and then curled it and then used the rollers. Now I did use different size rollers. I got them from my local beauty supply store and from City Trends for like $1, so you can use whatever rollers you want. I love how this hair came out. Like, do you guys see, like, if it looks soft on camera, that's because it is soft. It has a lot of body in it. From the back, this is how it's looking. Like, I just really love this hair, you guys. And from the side, this is really pretty. This is what that hairline is looking like. Again, it is pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it just a teensy bit. That was not needed. The tracks are laid down really flat, so you know they really constructed this wig really well because it's very lightweight. It's not hot on my neck. Look at Messy Bessie. Look at Messy Bessie. And she's really holding the curl really well. All this movement in like a kinky style, my curls let it fill right out. Look at that. Look how, oh my gosh, y'all. Look how bouncy that is. Like Diosa hair. This hairstyle is such a vibe. I'm here to stay, baby. Ooh, is it crack? don't smoke crack, y'all. Calm down. Calm down. Cause I know somebody gonna be in the comments, you know she smoked crack. Relax, Betty. This is definitely giving me a whole like old head, old school vibe.
Barbara, this is Shirley.
This little curl is falling. Oh, look at Bundle Brenda. She is not having it, y'all. She is not having it. So we're gonna put Bundle Brenda right up in there. Put my little drop earrings on and we ready. We are ready. Ooh, took my dang eye out. Definitely say this is a very beginner friendly type of technique, but obviously it will take some time. I would say this took about an hour and a half to do. So if you try and do like a quick style, then no, this is not gonna be for you, Bundle Brenda. So please don't come in my comments telling me how much time it takes. Like, duh. I know it takes time. I did it. Let me live. Dang it. This is just showing you guys that you can change the texture of a hairstyle and, you know, make a unit work for you. You don't have to keep buying units over and over because you want to get a certain hairstyle. Just take some patience and some time. Okay, we all got an hour or two to spare. Most of us. For under $100, like, bomb. And it's on Amazon, like I said, so if you have Prime shipping, you could get it in a day or 2 days. Like, order it right now and have it tomorrow. Boop. So I will link all the specs for this particular hair down below, so if you want to check it out, make sure you tell them that KIE RASHON sent you. Shout out once again to Diosa Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. You guys are listening because I'm getting a lot more subscribers watching my videos. Thank you, thank you. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.